Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to sand and polish this copper sheet, which I got from onlinemetals.com, to a mirror finish. The first thing we're going to do is take some of our Lumicut, place it in our spray bottle, and then we're just going to mist all over this copper sheet. Okay, now I'm going to take a 220 grit sandpaper, place it on our hookah pad, which is still attached to our drill, so that I may begin sanding. The key to sanding is to take your time and not to spend too much time in any spot or area, or you may create divots in the metal. Now we are ready for our 400 grit sandpaper, and just like the 220 grit sandpapers previously, we're just going to place the 400 grit sandpaper on our hookah pad, spray it with just a little bit of Lumicut, and then we may begin sanding. Alright, so we're going to take another 400 grit sandpaper, we're going to place it on our interface pad, and then we're going to attach it to our hookah pad, and then we're just going to smooth out some of these lines. Next up is our 800 grit sandpaper, and following the logic of our previous step, we're simply going to place the 800 grit sandpaper on our interface pad, place it on our hookah pad, and then we're just going to begin sanding. Now we are ready for a 1500 grit sandpaper, and just like our 800 grit sandpaper before it, we're simply going to place the 1500 on our interface pad, place it on our hookah pad, and once more begin sanding. Now we are finally ready for our second to last sanding step, so we're going to take our 3000 grit trisack foam finishing pad, place it on our hookah pad, spray it with some Lumicut, and then begin sanding. Now we are ready for our final sanding step. So we're going to take our 5000 grit trisack foam finishing pad, place it on our hookah pad, spray it with some Lumicut, and for the last time, begin sanding. Now we are ready to polish, so I'm going to take some Gord's aluminum polish, I'm going to place them on our Scott Blue shop towel, then I'm just going to take my time and slowly rub this polish into the copper sheet until it is dark as possible. Now we can begin buffing. So I'm going to take our Miger's polishing pad, I'm going to place it on our hookah pad, and then slowly holding down our trigger on our drill, we're going to buff out this polish to reveal a mirror shine. Because I'm a perfectionist, I thought I'd polish it a second time and make it look as good as possible. After having thoroughly wiped down our copper sheet with our Scott Blue shop towel, it is time to protect our finish. So I'm going to take some Bling Master Bling Barrier Clear Sealant, I'm going to place some on our Scott Blue shop towel, I'm going to spray it with just a little bit of water to make it damp, then I'm just going to rub it all over the copper sheet until it's dark as possible, then once it dries, I'm just going to wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel. Wow, that really turned out nice and mirror-like. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more new videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box, hit that little bell button, and have a wonderful day.